Now let us see the last part, that is third part. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. Okay, this is the pattern given. Okay, so here it is -3 plus 2 and dash dash dash, then answer is -8. So here a second one, 4 minus 2, this is given, plus dash 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 and then 8. Okay, so in A the sum is -8, represent going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? So let us say -3 plus 2 plus dash 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 is equal to -8. So now here if you observe carefully that the first example, the first part was solved, and we got the answer as 11 jumps. So the monkey descended down from the first step to the last step in 11 jumps. So now we have to write this 11 times, that is -3 plus 2, that is 1 2, -3 plus 2, 1 2 3 4, -3 plus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, -3 plus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this will be -8. So if you solve this whole, then you will get the answer as -8. So this total number of steps should be 11. So 3 steps down, then 2 steps up, then 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 3 steps down, then 2 steps up, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then 3 steps down. So this will be is equal to -8. So this is our first answer. Okay, in second one, that is B, is 4 minus 2. What was the answer of fourth one which we calculated? The answer of fourth one was the monkey returned back from bottom to top in 5 jumps. So that is 2 jumps are already given over here. 4 minus 2, that is first jump. Okay, so he climbed up by 4 steps and then he descended down again by 2 steps. He went up by 2 steps and came down by 2 steps. So this will be 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 8. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is our answer. If we solve this, this will be 2 plus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So this is our answer. Again the question says in A the sum -8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represents? So the sum 8 in B represents going up. So this was our third example. Okay.